Hi, Linda Bowen here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is just a great technique video showcasing the Peaceful Place Designer Series paper. This month, the month of September, with my hostess code in my online store, if you place a $30 order, I have a special tutorial done with this suite of product. Now, this card is not one of the cards that is in that tutorial, but I wanted to show you how we can color this beautiful paper. It's got a silver foil to it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of grid, and I have my Granny Apple Green, my Gorgeous Grape, and my Night of Navy. And what I want to do is create Northern Lights on this paper. Northern Lights is that image that is shown up in Iceland when the, I don't know, the moon reflects off the sky. What I'm doing, I'm just going in with my stamping sponges, my blending sponges, and I'm just starting off the edge. And what is happening, because that foil is there, I am resisting the color on the foil. Let's just add some more green in here. Then we're going to grab our purple, go into our Gorgeous Grape, and just add that grape color in there. The blending brushes just make this so easy to do. And just add that color. We're not going to add it in the bottom, so we've got our white snow. I'm going to bring in my personal trimmer, because I have made this a little bit bigger than it needs to be. And so I'm going to bring my trimmer in and cut it down. So this is 5 1/4, I believe. Let me double check myself. Yep, 5 1/4. So this piece is going to need to be 4. And I left that excess off so that I would have that shading on there, so that I can then go in with my stamp onto that Night of Navy and stamp the thanks. Now I could just leave it square. I think I'm going to grab my snips and just kind of trim around that. And just kind of, not evenly, kind of swirling it around. Want to make sure that I don't touch that ink, because it's probably still wet. It'll take a little bit longer for it to dry because of the embossing. So we've got that. Now we're ready to put our card together. So I'm going to put this on a piece. You know what, I think I want a little more purple in there, so let's go ahead and open that purple back up. Grab my blending brush. I'm going to go in here. There we go. And I'm going to add that to my Gorgeous Grape piece of paper. This measures 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So I've just got a little bit of that purple going on. Going to bring in my card base, which is Night of Navy, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. And we're going to add that there. I've also got a piece of the white. Let's go ahead and add that thanks. I'm going want to use bigger dimensionals for that. We could add the sequins to this card. We could add some rhinestones. See if I want something else. I think I'm going to leave that just the way it is. I'm going to go into my white piece of cardstock, and I am going to just go in and kind of soften around with my blending brushes the same colors that I did for the Northern Lights on the front of the card. So this just kind of softens that look on the inside versus it being completely white. Go ahead and add that to the center. And there you have a quick way of coloring our Peaceful Place Designer Series paper. Oops, I want to put it on that gorgeous grape so that it has the same border as the front of the card. And there you have it, a fun card, very little stamping, just using that beautiful Designer Series paper. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.